Man, this thing is dirty.
Hey man, who you calling dirty? You're the one that crashed me and left me sitting for a year.
I'm sorry, but you've been in pieces. It just didn't make sense to clean you.
No excuses, you used to wash me daily.
You know, you're right. But how about since you're back together, you and I have a little bit of a cleaning day?
Well, it's a good way to make it up to me.
Don't worry, I'll make sure you stay clean from here on out. I think it's time.
Thank you.
You look as beautiful as the day I met you.
You're just saying that.
Of course not. Now what do you say I clean up and you and I go for a little drive? Show you off.
I'd love to.